Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply gift a game in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Steam, click to store, and I don't know, let's find some good game. Yeah, I'm in this truck simulator, right? Idaho. And what can I do is, let's say I'm going to buy a bundle, add to cart, and now I will remove this one. Oh, I can purchase it. So let me show you this one. Fault, add to cart, and now you're gonna see it here, purchase as a gift. Click on it, and now you have option like who do you want to actually send the game to. You can also schedule the delivery, like when it's going to happen. Let's say that I want to make it tomorrow, and I got like here the guy. Let's continue, and now you just add here the receipt name, give it message, hey there, and you just add here your sentiment and signature. TaoMan. Continue, and you just add here your number, first name, last name. You can also choose between Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, Skrill, American Express, WebMoney, Placeit card, and you can really choose which one you actually want. So, and this is how you got it. And this is it. And then you just press continue. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback and guidance. And yeah, and this is how you can gift a game to someone. So yeah, goodbye.